Him being here is very suspicious. Consider that he is the leader of the majority party in Parliament, Jubilee. We are arrived to the fact that they have been buying votes all night. And they are not supposed to be here. We have communicated to the RO. Kemunya, in fact, in the better terms, Kemunya is a stranger in this police station. We should leave.
Kemunya's sole mission in this polling station is voters bribery. You want to swear vote to the Jubilee's paper? No, we can't allow it. Kemunya must go. Polisi tu wanaruhusu kutoa hapa. Hapa toki hapa. Hata yule vita inagadi. Hatutoki. Mwenye anataka kusumbua ndio saa hizi. Kwa kila mwenye anataka kusumbua boss. Ina hizi ndio. Kila tarehe. Senga burugu. Tumekuja kutetea haki yetu.
Manu, niambia. Ni playback. Stand ngoja. Manu.